case I didn't actually say what I meant to say, thank you for subscribing, and I don't know why you decided to stay, but oh wow, it's dusty. Good thing I'm doing this. But yeah, thanks for sticking around and hanging out through all the shenanigans. And you know, it's a weird, kind of interesting scenario we've got, able to do videos like this and make weird stuff from trashy situations. And yeah, so but it was about you know, changes, and you know, somehow we have over 100 people who decided to subscribe, and so any kind of changes, you know, if that actually affects anyone who pressed that subscribe button hoping that there'd be more stuff, well then I guess you deserve to know if there's anything that could be changing that. I mean, even if it's even remotely of interest to you. So thanks for pressing that button, and yeah, looking forward to making new stuff. Looking forward to making new stuff in the future.